Hey guys, you have reached Regina's Way, and I have an idea for this Nutcracker poster board. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it was $7, but I got a different idea of what I want to do with this Nutcracker. So watch and see what I do with it, guys. So I have it laid out here on the table, and I'm going to flip it over. All right, this is what it looked like flipped over. As you see, I got it from the Dollar Tree for $7 in the $5 section. This was $7. Now I got an idea. Watch this. All right. So I'm going to tell y'all something. I have some Christmas lights that I got from the Dollar Tree. You get 20 lights. They have multicolors and things of that nature. But I just went on and got this. They 5 feet. They come like this. They actually really good, y'all. I bought a couple of boxes of these, and they actually are really good. So, and then they can attach, to one another. If you see this, they can attach to one another. Now, I am going to be honest with you guys. The Dollar Tree have a lot of different type of lights that you can buy. You can buy the colorful ones. You can buy just the straight white ones like I have here. But when I first stapled this on, at first the staples did not want to stay. So I switched out my staple gun, and I was able to get the string of lights to stay after multiple tries. Okay, as you see here. So right now I am just putting one string of lights behind this thing, and we are going to see how it is going to look when I turn the lights off. Now, you see that, right? You see how I look. And you see it's falling here, right? But we was able to correct that later. But I decided if it's going to show like this with only one string of lights behind it, let's try 2. So what I am going to do, I'm going to take both of these strings of lights. I am going to attach them like that. And I'm going to go more towards the outside of the Nutcracker, so you can see it better. I'm gonna go more towards the outside of the Nutcracker with the staples. All right, so what I am gonna do is from top to bottom, I am gonna staple the lights down. But make sure you are clear of the wires, guys. You do not want to send a staple through your wires. So make sure you check your staple gun and that you're clear of your lights, you're clear of your wires, because you don't even want to smash any of your lights and make them inoperable. Now I have started all the way to the top, and I am going to go all the way to the bottom with both sets of lights. Now the lights I got from the Dollar Tree, I got 2 packs of those, and each one was $1.50, and the Nutcracker was $7. So what is that? What is that altogether? $10 for this set right here. But what I like about it is you can have this on the outside, you can have it on the inside, and I know that it is going to look absolutely beautiful with all of these lights standing behind it. I do have a stand, whereas I can stand it up in any corner in my house, but I am going to put these in the window because I bought more than one, and I am going to put them in my front window. Okay, so this is 2 sets of lights behind the gingerbread man. Okay, so here is the gingerbread man, and I decided to put 2 sets of the Dollar Tree lights behind the gingerbread man. So the gingerbread was $7, and the 2 sets of lights back here was $1.50 each, so you may as well say $3. So this whole thing together was like $10. Okay, and you can put a stand behind this, or lean it up against the wall in your house, or put it in your windows, you know, all of that. So I'm gonna plug it up now and see how it's gonna look. So what I did was just staple the lights. Let me turn off the lights. I think that's a little better. That's the way it looks on the back. This is the way it looks on the front. I want to see if y'all can see this pretty good. I can leave it in the house and lean it up against the wall, or I can put it in the window. This can be leaned up against any of my decor in the house to keep the house illuminated. I don't know, I like it. I like it. So guys, really basically, I have been doing little things like this, you know, to decorate my home from the Dollar Tree. I will be showing y'all some more inexpensive Christmas decorations that you could do for a little of nothing and with stuff you have around the house already. But I think this is a good idea. I don't know yet if I am going to hang it up, put it in the window, but it is pretty. It is pretty. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna tell you, I like the way the gingerbread man turned out. I can have it on the inside, on the outside. I can have it in my window. I really like it. I also bought another stand like this, and it's a Christmas stand, and I'm going to do the same thing with that. I think this is just an easy, inexpensive way to decorate your home, and you can embellish it with all the other type of things you want to embellish it with. Well guys, you have reached Regina's Way. If you enjoyed this video, and if I have given you any type of ideas, and I got more on the way for these Christmas decorations, then hype the video, comment, like, subscribe, and share, all right? Also, I have another channel. It is called Regina TV. Over there we do hair and take care of our hair, grow our hair, talk about supplements and things like that. So go over there to that channel as well, Regina TV. Comment, like, subscribe, and share to that channel as well. And we are going to get everything popping, all right? So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Come on back and visit me so I can show you some more creative, beautiful, inexpensive decorations. And I'll see you in the next one. I like that. I like this, y'all. I do. Yeah, I like it.